Hello everyone, this is Aditi Chaudhary and I'll be quickly demonstrating the website. So I'll first start the server by doing python server.py. Once I've done this, the website should load. This is the landing page, and then if we go here, we see the basic 3 records that were pre-shown. Now I'll be demonstrating how to quickly add a client, and then we can delete it by pressing this button, or we can delete it by even just dragging and dropping it here. And again, basic functionality, if we see if there is a client and then we don't enter a rem and then we try to submit, it gives us an error. Now we see that if we basically add like a bunch of data here, say Max Cafe 300, computer science department 500. Also, we added Aditi, right? So Aditi should also be added to the list. Aditi, say 1000, so on and so forth. We can add data. Now, if we reload this page, it still says the data is still persistent. And also, if we open it on a new browser, the data is still there. There is no change. Also, if we test this and if we add Dunder, Mifflin, and your 300, now this is already present, autocomplete. Now we shall quickly jump to the code and I'll explain the JavaScript file. So this consists of 3 AJAX calls, that is save sales, delete sales, and then display sales list that communicates with the Flash server asynchronously so that there's smooth interaction without any page reloads. So I'll quickly explain the save sales function. It basically does a post request to the slash save sales route, and it includes the salesperson's name, the client's name, and the REMs in a JSON format. The server processes this request by adding a unique ID and then storing the sale in a persistent JSON file, and then returning the updated list of the sales and clients. So what happens here, we see here, is the JavaScript updates the UI dynamically by calling this function, the display sales list function, and then this ensures that the new sales appears without reloading. Now moving on, we talk a little about the delete sales function. What it does is, again, it does a post request to the slash delete sales route with the sales ID. And the Flash server processes this request by removing the specific sale from the storage and then returns an updated sales list. We'll check that out here. As we can see here, this happens. And then upon receiving the display sales list, it is invoked again to refresh the UI. We shall go back quickly. Yeah, here. So it basically gets it back, and then this ensures that the deleted sale is removed. And we shall go through the display sales function once. So basically what this does is it sets up like an event listener for the dynamic creation of elements, enabling features like delete and the drag and drop functionality for delete. Now, moving on to the server side, we have 2 routes here. That's the welcome page route, that's the slash, and then slash infinity route for the log sales page. Then quickly moving on, we have 2 key endpoints, that's the slash save sales and the delete sales. So the save sales route here, what it does is it processes new sales, assigns a unique ID, appends them to a stored list, basically, and then returns the updated data. What the delete sales does is, this route finds and removes a sale by its ID before returning the revised sales list. And this ensures that when the page is reloaded, the previous stored sales is persistent. And then together with this AJAX function and the Flask, it gives like an interactive and a good experience for managing the sales record dynamically. I will also quickly inspect element here, and I'll console out I'll console .log clients. We see all these clients that are present, and then I will console .log sales. These are all the sales that are currently present. Thank you.